Well, good morning from the KX Storm Team. I'm meteorologist Tom Schrader right here on your Saturday, and what a day. It is really going to warm up today. And we're talking 30s, 40s, even some 50s. It's also going to be a little bit windy, so not necessarily the nicest day, but things are really going to be all over the place over the next couple of days. So I'm starting at 12 noon, so in just a couple of hours, we should have a fairly clear sky. It is going to be breezy, if not a little bit windy. And then I'm stopping tonight around 8 o'clock, and you might notice northeastern Montana, far western North Dakota, a little bit of rain showing up there. Yeah, it's going to be that warm even at night tomorrow night. And then once we get to late evening into the overnight hours, it goes from border to border from Montana to Minnesota. You can see that little bit of rain, maybe a change over to freezing rain, a wintry mix. Maybe even some snow. That's 2 o'clock in the morning, and most of that is going to be north of I-9 or US 2. However, and I'm going to stop here at 4 o'clock because this is a short-range computer model, doesn't go out much further. So I'm going to change over to a different computer model to show you what could happen in the next couple of days. So here we are looking at Sunday morning around 7 o'clock. Notice the snow there and maybe some freezing rain around Bismarck. Watch what happens. I'm going to put this in motion, and obviously if there's snow, it's going to be colder. It won't be the 50s if it's snowing. And it looks like around 7 o'clock Sunday night, we might be winding down a little bit. Still be breezy. Doesn't look like a big deal, but look over in Wyoming. See that low there? That's going to actually develop into something bigger. Plus, a big Arctic high is going to be settling in southern Saskatchewan. Now, here's the deal. And when I go out and talk to schools, I talk about how when you see a weather map and you see the L for low, think of lift in the atmosphere. That gives lift. That's what triggers rain, snow, thunderstorms, things like that. And while it might be not technically correct, I tell them to think of the H in high pressure as heavy. It sinks, so the air is going to be sinking, and that would shut down snow in the north. So where does that high set up and where does that low set up? That's going to be real important on how much snow North Dakota gets. And at this point in time, it looks like maybe roughly south of Lake Sakakawea to, into South Dakota is where the heaviest snow is going to be, lighter snow in the north. And that high pressure is not only going to help keep the north kind of snow free, but once we get into Monday night, Tuesday, because of the position of the high up in Canada, the flow around it is going to be bringing in frigid air. It is going to get seriously cold. Nighttime temperatures 10, 20, 25 degrees below zero, depending where you're at. And there'll be maybe a couple of days there that a lot of us don't even go above zero at all. So that's what we've got going on. But today, look at these high temperatures. Too bad it'll be a little bit windy because it is going to be warm. And of course, we'll have more information for you throughout the afternoon. And we hope you join us tonight for KX News.